Hi everyone, my name is Blake Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to access the build control and log inside of CoCalc's updated LaTeX editor. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com and I'm currently inside of a LaTeX document, and the default is the PDF viewer, so you'll have that selected right when you open up your LaTeX document. And what you'll want to do, in fact, I'll go ahead and click build, force build here, and you'll notice that the build tab is currently building. I can click here and you'll see that it's actively running Python text, so some of the Python code that I have included in my LaTeX source over here on the left. So it's running that code, and then I can also see that it's running the LaTeX right here as well. And now I can go ahead and look at the log on both of those, and if there are any problems I can check over here. Okay, so that is just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.